Right, stocks. This is last week's selection first. This is STI, SunTrust Banks. Lovely little hammer on the 3rd, which was on Sunday, wasn't it? No, it was the Monday. And we've been punching up higher ever since, with a slightly hesitant day yesterday. But that, marvellous chart, really good. Potash is just a bit of a mess at the moment. I would hold out for 38.88. In fact, let me put an alarm on that. 38.90. NetApps just fell over after mentioning it. Couldn't get through that trend line and fell over. Monsanto has had a good week. So no pullback. Well, a pullback to the trend line, not a pullback to that area there. So I didn't get in MON. Goldman's sitting high. I think if that comes back to 1708, 1710, I think that could be a buy. It looks as if that was a nice push up last week. It looks as if it's got more legs. Dean Foods sideways to weak. Chesapeake has done okay, I think. Ooh, no, sideways. At best, sideways. But look, watch out for that. That closed above 260. I think that could recover. Celgen sideways to weak. CME pushing up. Close above 780, and I think that could do 840. What you might want to do is buy support at 760. If you see 760, we've got to. Yeah, obviously you're better off leaving it. Just give it time, because that could close the gap on you. Beta Home just rolled over, and Bank of America again, like SunTrust, hammer on the Monday and push right up. And look at those topping tails. This is what I'm looking for in the Euro charts. Two topping tails on the Bank of America, and it's closed above that 168 extension. RSI is high. BBT, nice breakout. So I hope you got some of those. Right, list for this week is as follows. XCO. I think this XCO is perking up. That close yesterday is great. If I see 520, I'm in. So I'm going to look for a pullback to 520. My target would be 600 on XCO. EPA was another oil stock. That's closed well. That looks as if that's potentially bottoming. A lot of selling, that's the only trouble. What I don't want to do is for that, I'm going to leave that and just stick to XCO. I'm going to look at Diamond Offshore. Just knocking its head against that resistance level, so I have to leave that. Right, BBRY, BlackBerry. I'm looking for this to come back into 913. Or 920. Let's set an alarm for 920. Because I think we're in a nice bull flag there. So we've had a big push up, selling at the highs, but these lows are getting bought. So if I buy the low of the flag, we could push up to potentially as far as 120, which is where there is a massive amount of resistance, and we've got a gap fill up here. But I think BlackBerry's proved itself, and I'm prepared to put some money on that. Right, JNPR, Juniper Networks. I'm basically looking for good stocks, for solid stocks in a market that's quite high, but got the potential just to get another leg up. That would be nice on a dip. I think that's another bull flag. That would be good on a dip to 257. But I think we might hold here. So I'm going to look at that one intraday. There's a 60-minute chart here on this one. As you can see, we're under the 50 and 200 here. So close above 265 would be a trigger for a potential move up on that on JNPR. This one was on my list and popped up before I got a chance to do the video and enter it. But that is a potential pullback at 147, if you see that. FNSR. Sideways at the moment. Bit messy as well. Let's have a look at how Starbucks. Starbucks got beaten up on the massive run up in the coffee price. Hit me right under that 50 EMA. 700 has been bought. All the time we're under that 50 EMA. That's tough. It does look as if that could move. So 724.50 is a potential for that one. Okay, let's have a look at some UK stuff. What did I get? Oh, NTRI. Sorry, one last US stock. NTRI. Yeah, I again, it's got the 50 EMA above it, but I think that 147 has got the potential to push higher and push up there. Right. Premier Foods is not pulling back, just holding the highs. Rolls-Royce has staged a recovery. Right, any dip now to 103, 1030 is a buy on Rolls-Royce. Barclays. The banks are beaten up at the moment, but we are coming into a lot of support. So just watch out for this 220, 230 area if it keeps dropping. This could be a potential at some stage. If UK rates start to rise, that's going to dramatically affect the profitability of banks. So had a lovely run up last year, in 2012, 2013 got choppy, but there's a lot of support areas here, so keep an eye out on these banks. And Tate & Lyle is potentially basing down there. Ocado, it looks like a bullish consolidation up there, but I'm not interested at the moment. Man Group has just gone and not pulling back at the moment, but watch out for a pullback on that one. And that's all I've got for you. Right, well, let's look at some, see if there's anything that's moved up well this morning that might go on our list. Nothing is shouting out at me. No, that's cheapy. Okay, leave it there, and your feedback will be welcome.